Boys Town's exit from the Red Stripe Premier League is now all but completed, following their 2-0 defeat to leaders Portmore United at the Prison Oval.
The Red Brigade began the day with a fighting chance and hoping to pull off one of the great escape acts. They had to beat Portmore United to keep hopes alive, but those hopes now appear to be dashed. They were 13 points adrift of safety with 6 games to go at the start of the day, but at the end of it, the points gap remained while the task gets tougher with 5 matches remaining. They made a fight of it though, as it took them 79 minutes before their resistance was broken. They paid the penalty after Jeremy Lynch fired Portmore into the lead. Asani Ricketts then took advantage of a side that has lost belief to widen the score 10 minutes later. Rashane Sharp didn't see the need for 11 against 11 and referee Cardella Samuels obliged. 2-0 it ended as Portmore moved to 56 points, 11 more than Arnett, who will play on Monday.
Boys Town, is in a different position than us. They are fighting for, to stay in the league. So it was going to be a tough game because, when you face teams that it's that has nothing to lose, it's tough.
Some calls didn't go our way today. I mean, even the penalty I think was an innocuous call, but I thought we gave a good effort up until that point in time. The penalty came at a point where I believe that it changed the entire game. The effort was there. The players tried to play today, but it wasn't to be.
And Boys Town's evening could get worse should Humble Lion, who are now in action, beat Harbour View, as victory for Humble Lion would send the Red Brigade back to where they came from 12 years ago.